So in this video, we're going to get into Polestar, and they just announced that their revenue was going to decline, and they cut guidance. However, the stock was pretty much muted. It was down just a bit, roughly 10 cents. But why didn't the stock go down further? Well, if you look at the monthly chart, you can see where price came from. Now, if I just open this up, the charts is suggesting that price has bottomed. And we're going to call this monthly buyers. At 70 cents. Now, before we continue with the analysis, let's actually look at the news regarding their guidance. So stock plunged pre-market Thursday after the EV maker reported declining revenue and cut its full-year outlook, citing challenging market conditions and slower than expected sales of new models. The EV manufacturer posted preliminary third quarter revenue of $551 million, down 10% year over year. Just the EBITDA loss narrowed to $181 million from $252 million a year ago. The company did not provide any earnings per share figures, nevertheless. Now, Polestar slashed its 2024 guidance, now expecting a mid-teen percentage decline in the full year revenue versus its previous outlook for flat revenue. The company also anticipates a negative gross margin around 2023 levels for the full year, abandoning earlier expectations of a positive gross profit for Q4. The company said it lowered guidance comes as the fourth quarter product mix was negatively impacted by fewer than expected Polestar 3 and Polestar 4 sales. Other one-time events also contributed to a difficult Q4 for the company, including a market value adjustments of inventory as well as continuing market pressure from discounting. Alright, so nevertheless, the monthly chart suggests price has bottomed. And so let's go to the weekly chart to see the price action on a bit granular level. We do have the makings of a double bottom. We do have the makings of divergence, where price action is making lower lows, but the RSI, the momentum indicator, is making higher lows. We do have this W pattern, which you typically find at bottoms. Typically, price returns to the apex before moving higher. We do have this rally base and candle, then a rally out. That is weekly buyers, which price came into the zone, pushed back higher, so it just reacted. However, the liquidity is going to be below this 80% level, monthly buy level. Let's go to the daily chart. You can see that level price action on that formed the weekly buy. You had a rally in price, a couple of basing candles in the rally out, and then you have another level of interest right below that. We're going to call that daily buyers, nested within a monthly buy level, so it's a strong level. So you got multiple reasons from a technical standpoint why prices bottom, even though the fundamentals are not that great. But if you believe in Polestar long term, you might want to look at starting to pick up some shares below $1. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.